Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 6th. It's the day after Cinco de Mayo. Hope everybody had a good weekend with that. Just a reminder, if you guys are interested in the way that I look at things with the market and the Moxie indicator, come on in. You got a free $7 trial for 30 days. Get that straight. And let's dive into the markets. So we have seen a couple days of pop-ups, and what it looks like this is stemmed from is right in through here. We've kind of had our level. And we had a positive Moxie divergence. Even we had the stochastic putting in the lows and getting some divergence in there as well. So since then, we've got a little pop action, but I'm still a little bit cautious in this area. Number one, if I didn't get in already, then I don't really want to be chasing this, and that goes for kind of the market wide anyway. And then the other thing is, if we kind of look back here, we have seen this picture before, to where we've had a couple, strong up days after a pullback, and a couple of strong up days after a pullback. And what I'm looking for is I want to see if these up moves that we're having are actually confirmed. And so we're going to know over the next few days, right here and right here, if the market is going to hold up. So yes, we've had the market moving up, but I think it's going to be important to know what happens when they start to come back down. Is it going to hold and continue up? Or is it going to come down and go a little bit lower like that? So just still a little bit cautious in through here. Part of my reasoning as well is if we look at the put-call ratio, I don't know if that was enough to get the job done. Let me clean this up a little bit. Yeah, right in through here, I just, there was the low, there was the spike in the put-call ratio. I don't know. That seems kind of like a half-ass attempt to get to really call a low in the market. So I'm keeping one eye open with this and just the market in general. Sticking to playing kind of individual names and doing some day trading in through there. So still for me, caution is a little bit warranted, and I just don't know if we're kind of out of the woods yet. So let's see what this pullback ends up being like. That being said, I will say that some of the cryptos are looking pretty good. Crypto miners, we've had some nice decent setups in through here. But we've got some earnings coming up. A couple of them had it. I think Coin, Riot had earnings. No big deal. But Mara, CLSK, a couple others have some earnings still in our future. And so, I don't know. I don't like trading earnings, and so I want to see what these things kind of do after the fact. But it does look to me like they are setting up and looking for that right opportunity to get in. So we'll be talking about this pretty extensively in the Moxie trading room coming up this week and next week, since these things have earnings and they are starting to look ripe. So if you guys are interested, remember, come on over. You can see the conversation that we have and join us in the chat room and live on the mic. simplertrading.com/Moxie. Thanks again. See you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.